All right, now let's talk through how to solve a quadratic inequality. So I've already written it out here, but I want to kind of talk you through the thought process of it. So step one is to solve the related equation, either by factoring, square rooting, or the quadratic formula, whichever method makes the most sense based off of the expression you see in front of you. And then mark the values that you get on a number line. Okay, so you'll get usually 2 answers, occasionally 1. Mark them on a number line. Pay very careful attention to if you should be using open circles or closed circles based off of whether or not there's an equal to in the inequality symbol in the original problem. Now, there's 2 different ways that we can proceed from there. The first way is you can sketch the parabola going through those points and shade accordingly. And whatever part of the number line is directly shaded on, that's where your solution set will fall. It will either be in between the 2 numbers because it's inside the parabola, or it'll be over to the left and over to the right because it's outside of the parabola. So it's either inside or outside, meaning either in between the 2 x values or in opposing directions on the outsides. Okay. If you don't want to sketch the parabola in shade, your alternative is to test an x value from the middle of the number line to see if it works. And again, I only need to test one number in the middle zone because either the middle is going to work, and if that doesn't, guaranteed the 2 outside edges are going to work. Okay? Kind of like the compound inequalities that we graphed back at the beginning with interval notation. Okay? And then problem number 3, or step 3, I should say, is we're going to report the solutions using interval and or inequality notation. So you'll see me working with both, but we want to start practicing getting used to interval notation at this point. All right? In the next video, we'll take a look at how to actually solve some problems from start to finish. All right, see you there.